I have got a very good response of this design. This is in a sandalwood color, pure cotton fabric with applique work detailing. This is a very nice, very beautiful piece. Many customers come to me and they tell me that, how are your pant fits. This is the fit of a 40 size pant. Hello, namaskaram everyone. My name is Shatabdi from OS Enterprise, Kolkata. We are basically manufacturers of hand embroidery kurta, pant sets, dupatta sets and dresses. We are mostly into pure based fabrics. We have mostly cottons, linens, organics, khadi, all these fabrics. We're not using any nylon and polyester based fabrics mostly. And we have our own manufacturing unit. So the entire pattern cutting, stitching, embroidery, everything is done under our unit. We have our own karigars and masters. And my shop address is 17 Goenka Lane, shop number 109, first floor, nearest landmark ICICI Bank, Kalakar Street. Please reach to ICICI Bank and give us a call. We'll send somebody to assist you. And so we take all set-wise orders. We don't take any retail orders. So my sets are from 38 to 46. So please note that the designs that I'm going to show you will be in set-wise orders only. And yeah, a brief about myself. I have done my specialization on ethnic wear from NIFT Mumbai. So I have a very keen interest in fashion, fabrics, designs, weaving and all. So that is what I do in my collection also. You can check out the collection. Please share screenshots and book your video call slots if you want to check out more of it. We mentioned the number below, so you can share the screenshots and we'll tell you the pricing in detail. Thank you so much. So starting with my first design, this is in handloom cotton, black color, a blend of handwork and applique work. The neck is in a V-neck. It has the flowers that you are seeing here. This is all applique work and the remaining is all handwork with scalloping scalloping sleeves and handwork on sleeves as well. And the same pattern is done on the pant, scalloping at the bottom, and then there is applique and handwork detailing. The kurta comes with scattered buttas. The next up we have Kathiawadi or Kachhi handwork in an organic cotton. This is how the look is. It has these mirror work and Kathiawadi handwork detailing. All these comes with pants. The pant, mostly the designs that I make has these pant embroidery. We give some designs at the bottom as well. The next up we have, all these are in pure cotton base only. It has this heavy lazy stitch, French knot, bullion embroidery, heavy neck work on the yoke. The sleeves has this work and the pant will also have similar work. This is the pant. The pants, we add pockets in pant. One pant, I'll just show you. I'll open and I'll show you the pant. So this is a 40 size and this is the 40 size pant. So many customers come to me and they tell me that, how are your pant fits. This is the fit of a 40 size pant. So it's pretty good. I mean, there is half elastic given. There is drawstrings given in the front. So the fit will be, a 40 size women can easily fit in this. And in fact, 42 size can also wear. So we give big size pants. Next up, this is in a pure cotton. This is an applique work. So the white floral embroidery that you are seeing, this is all applique work detailing. And the sleeves also has this embroidery. The pant in this one, I think, oh yeah, there is embroidery like this in the pant as well. So this is how the look is. And then we have a very nice, like a onion pinkish sort of a color, V-neck embroidery with mirror work, scattered buttas all over. These are all mirror work on the V-neck and it has a very neat and tidy hand embroidery work done on the neck. This is how the sleeves are. The pant will go like this. Okay, and then we are up with another one which is in a Kashmiri handwork. So this is how the look is in Kashmiri handwork. It has heavy handwork on both the sleeves and the yoke has heavy handwork. So multicolor embroidery, very small, very fine stitch. You can just zoom in and you can see the stitches, It's very fine stitches given here. Very neat and clean work. This is how the pant goes. All these, whatever designs till now I have shown, is all in pure cotton base, as in pure cotton base fabric. This is in organic cotton. The other one was in a pure cotton. I have another color in this one. This is a Kora color, like a khadi color also you can call. The fabric, if I just zoom in and if I show you, there is like this weaving sort of a like a, there is I don't know how to explain this, but I think you can understand from the video. Yeah, this is how the look is. The pant will have this embroidery and heavy handwork on sleeves and on the yoke. All these are without lining. I have not added lining because lining is not required in these. If I have any design that is with lining, I'll show you that and then you will understand. We only give lining in fabrics that are required. This is another one in a very little different pattern. This is all Kantha work buta. It is with V-neck, pin-tucks detailing, contrast color buttons given, and shaded, as in contrast shades of pink Kantha work given on both, on the entire kurta, sleeves, and the pant also will have Kantha work like this. This is how the Kantha work is there. This is how the look is. It's in a very nice, like a lime green sort of a color. And this is a very nice, very beautiful piece. It is with, the detailing is on the sleeves. Very simple kurta, like a washed denim color, pure cotton kurta with neck handwork. And there is there is this cord piping given. And then there is handwork detailing on the sleeves. So, you know, these designs are some, when you wear it, you understand the look of the design, you understand the pattern of the design. This comes with a plain pant, all right? This is mostly like a formal wear suit. This is kurta pant set. This is. And next up we have a very nice, this is with cotton lining because this is in a mull cotton fabric. So this would be transparent, semi-transparent. So that is why we have added a cotton lining with this one. It has heavy handwork on the neck, contrast color combination handwork given, and this comes with a pant. And all, I'm not showing actually all the pants. You can just message me. This pant is also plain. You can just message me if you have any query, but mostly maximum designs are with some embroidery given on the pant as well. But yeah, this is another color, pink color, and I have shown you a green color. I have another pink color in this with cotton lining only. This is also with cotton lining. Comes with a pant. The pants are added here. You can take screenshots and you can send me the screenshots. I'll tell you the detailing. I'll tell you the prices of these. Please, when you see, I have a genuine request from my viewers that you see these designs. We make this kind of designs because being a festive season, the designs are getting sold out really, really fast. So I try and message me at the earliest so that you can get the same designs. If not, you will be getting these type of designs further. So our designs are getting sold out really fast. So maybe what you're seeing right now, after 4-5 days, if it's sold out, don't think that we, I mean, you'll get something new again, okay? So just message me and whatever new collection we have, we'll update you with that. You can book your video call slots as well. So yeah, back to the design. Pure cotton again with this pin-tucks. Neck has heavy pin-tucks detailing, and along with the pin-tucks there is this kantha work, cord piping of the pant fabric done. It has then there are these simple 3 butas given. The pant comes like this. So the pant is handloom cotton pant with stripes. So the पैंट की जो कलर कॉम्बिनेशन पैंट पे है उसी कलर कॉम्बिनेशन से हमने हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी करी हुई है और इसके स्लीव्स पे भी ऐसे पेंटक्स एंड कॉट पाइपिंग की डिटेलिंग रहेगी. ठीक है, ये भी प्योर कॉटन फैब्रिक पे रहेगा. नेक्स्ट इज इन अ हैंड पेंट. This is the first hand paint collection I'm showing you. It has this floral hand painting, and the hand painting is, finished with hand embroidery work. So very nice floral hand painting work done. I can give you guarantee of the hand paint. ऐसा नहीं है कि वॉश से चला जाएगा. हैंड पेंट वगैरह की गारंटी है. इसके बैक पे भी बूटा वर्क आएगा. लाइलैक कलर के ऊपर आएगा. इसका ये पैंट आएगा और पैंट पे भी ऐसे नीचे की तरफ हैंड एम्ब्रॉयडरी दी हुई है. Next we have, this is a very nice, and I mean, I have got a very good response of this design. This is in a sandalwood color, pure cotton fabric with applique work detailing. Neck having V-neck, there is V-neck and it's in a collar neck. So with handwork on its neck and scattered bootas. The bootas are applique work bootas with kalamkari fabric. ठीक है, इसका ये इसकी ये स्लीव्स ऐसी आएंगी और इसके पैंट पे ना ऐसे पट्टी वर्क दी हुई है। तो ऐसे पैंट पे पट्टी वर्क रहेगा कलमकारी का, साइड पे स्लिट रहेगा, स्लिट शॉर्ट स्लिट रहेगा, उस पे पट्टी वर्क रहेगा और इसके पॉकेट्स है दोनों तरफ, पैंट के दोनों तरफ पॉकेट्स रहेंगे। I have actually shot a video of this design, both the colors. You can check out our Instagram page also. I'll mention my link of I'll mention the link of an Instagram page. You can check out there also and you can see how the look is. कई बार क्या होता है कि when you wear a design, you understand how the look is turning out to be, and then it's easier for us to sell also. You understand how the look is, how the fit is, then it gets easier. You get more confident when you sell. So yeah, this is another color. That was a sandalwood color. This is a rust orange color. Geometrical applique work and handwork on the V-neck with pants. Okay, so these are in pure handloom cottons. Okay, the weaving that you see, this is entirely handloom weaving, not power loom, and the pant is also hand weaved, and it's a very, very premium collection. This is just one I'm showing you. I have other concepts also. This is in a charcoal gray color. Simple handwork, multicolor handwork on its neck and on the sleeves. And this is how the pant is. The pant will also have these 3 boota work here. The next I have is in a pink shade with zari weaving. So it has a very simple handwork on its neck like this, and scattered bootas. Just a minute. Yeah, scattered bootas. And if I show you the weaving, it has very small like polka weaving on the kurta and stripe weaving on the pant. And the sleeves has these scattered bootas on it. And next I have is a, what do I call this color? Like a different, like a sea green, dusty sea green sort of a color. The pant, the kurta has these weaving bootas like this. This is all my weaving collection I'm showing you. The pant is in a katha weaving pattern with handwork. Neck, there is a like a patchwork sort of neck. One side there is this handwork and the other side the pant fabric is attached to it. And this is how the sleeves. This is all in weaving collection I'm showing you. Those were straight fits. This is an A-line fit with handwork on both sides of the yoke, and there is this V, like a square V sort of a neck, and there is kantha work. This is in a rust orange color with a blue weaving on it, and the pant is this. This is how the pants are. So I'm ending my video with this last article on handloom weaves. This is in a navy blue color with rust orange boota work, pintux detailing on the yoke, collar V-neck, scattered bootas just on the sides of the pintux, and it has this handwork on the daman, and the same handwork is given on the pant. Very smart looking piece. This is the one. I have shown you my weaving collection, my pure handloom collection in 2-piece. I have kept this video short with just 2-piece designs. I'll come again live or maybe with recorded videos with my dresses and 3-piece. You can please follow us and like and share if you like. And if you like the content and the designs. And we'll mention our number below, so you can reach out to us to book your video call slots. And please reach out to us for wholesale purpose only. Thank you so much. Have a nice time. Bye.